everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria and on this channel I create healthy recipes for the weight loss. In today's video I share with you a healthy, delicious, crusty fish without frying. Let's get started with the cleaning of the fish. I use 1000 grams of tilapia fillet, which is 1 kg. In that I add half a cup of white vinegar followed by Himalayan salt or sea salt, and then rub the mixture of salt and vinegar onto the fish fillets. Gently massage fish and then add water to soak fish for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, you can take out the fish to a strainer and change the water to clean water. Now place fish fillets in clean water one by one and gently rub to remove excess vinegar and salt. Soaking and washing fish in this method helps to remove the excessive odor. Now you can change the water to clean water one more time and repeat the process. If you would like to wash it under tap running water, you can, but I just want to show you how to wash, so I use this soaking and changing water method. After that, let the fish drain for 20 minutes and meanwhile we can make our marination. For marination, cut and squeeze lemon and strain the seeds. You need 1/4 cup of lemon juice to marinate fish. Lemon adds so much flavor in the fish. Let the fish marinate in lemon for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, we can prepare our spice rub. Because we are not frying fish, and those of you who are familiar with the Lahori fish know that it has a golden crust. However, we are baking the fish. To achieve that golden crust, we add some coarsely ground and powdered spices along with arrowroot flour, which helps to stick the marination on the fish and to give the crust which is essential for the fish. You can make this spice rub in advance for later use. You may feel this spice rub is too much, but it is not, because we are not using any batter, so we need all these spices to achieve the desired flavor and crust. I lined a baking sheet with non-bleached parchment paper. Now take out each fish fillet which is marinated in lemon juice and then rub the spice rub on both sides of fish fillet by pressing and making sure that it is covered from both sides. Once coated from both sides, you can either leave it in the fridge for overnight and bake it next day, or you can bake it right away. Both ways works fine. However, do not freeze it, because when you thaw the fish, chances are that the spice rub will wash out from the fish. Preheat oven at 450 Fahrenheit and bake fish for 10 to 15 minutes until the internal temperature reaches to 150 to 160 Fahrenheit. In between, if you feel the fish is releasing water, then take it out and tilt the tray to remove excess water with the help of a paper towel. Then put the fish back in the oven and bake until the desired temperature is achieved. For the last 3 to 4 minutes, broil the fish for a golden crust, but keep an eye on it not to burn the fish. Dish out the fish, and this fish is not only healthy, but you can control the amount of fat in your daily intake without compromising on flavor. And today's recipe is for my metabolic balance clients who are in oil-free phase. I hope you like this recipe, and if you want to learn how to make fish patties, then keep watching for the next video. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for watching.